PlayStation and LeBron James team up on a limited edition PlayStation 5. Oh, accessories.
Yeah.
Not a whole, well, it shouldn't have to be a whole PlayStation 5. You got the interchangeable face plates. I guess the controller's an accessory. I guess you could have done an entire edition, but that would seem a little bit on the nose, considering they've just recently caught up to delivering the regular model. It's like, no special editions yet. Just do the accessory. So you have some stylings here on what we're seeing, a rotation of the controller. You can see LeBron James, King James logo.
Some graffiti graphics.
And then the X and then the PlayStation logo in a graffiti-like style with a number of like neon colors, neon yellow and blue. I see a rocket ship on there. Can you pause it on the front of the controller so we can actually read some of what it says on there? This is hard to do, actually. Oh, everything is earned, underlined. So we got the hard work pays off type of thing. Nothing is given. This is LeBron James messaging. Chosen ones, rocket ship. Build, uplift, empower, I promise. It's all the taglines. And then all the different colored crowns. And it's not just on the controller, but, I like collabs. Well, whatever. I get it. It's marketing.
Sure, yeah.
It's branding. I get it. But I like collabs. I like specializing things, packaging. I do have a history with a channel called Unbox Therapy. I like design. Can't help it. Here's a quote from LeBron James on the collab. It's so crazy to think a kid from Akron who grew up playing games is getting to create something like this, designing a console cover and controller with PlayStation that gives a nod to my I Promise students. That's right, that's his school. And where we come from is a pretty cool thing. I hope it's something that continues to inspire everyone who touches it and that they have a little fun finding meaning in every detail. Fans in select markets will be able to pre-order the accessories exclusively through direct.playstation.com later this year. So LeBron James fans, I got to tell you, man, in the NBA, it's the PlayStation connection is real. You're on the road a lot.
Oh, yeah.
You're playing games in hotel rooms. I got a story about staying in a hotel. I don't even know to what extent I could go into complete detail on this.
Okay.
But
go full detail.
Sharing the floor of a hotel with an NBA team during the playoffs, and walking past the kind of PlayStation tournament style intensity play going on in the midst of the playoffs, late at night, kind of coming and going players and the casual. I mean,
everyone's competitive, man.
The
athletes.
It's a real scene, to say the least, of the video game integration into the road travel professional athlete life. There's a strong connection there. So LeBron's going to be traveling now with his own version of PlayStation. That's how they got the deal done. They're like, LeBron, don't you want your own PlayStation accessories?
I would love to see more collabs like this.
You could walk around with your own controller when you roll up to the...
Yeah.
Who knows, though? Maybe he's not even in those tourneys. Maybe that's the young guys. Maybe he's like, nah, I'm going to bed early. You know what I'm saying?
Happy time for LeBron.
I'm taking care of myself. You guys are staying up late.